Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to avoid hitting other strings while playing the guitar. This will be an easy tutorial with a couple of simple steps for you to take action on and remember. So let's get right into the video tutorial. Now, as you can see, I have an acoustic guitar in front of me, but you can use these tips with an acoustic guitar or an electric guitar, 6-string, 12-string, bass guitar, really anything, to be honest with you. And it's not a bass guitar technically, but yeah, you can really use it on any type of string instrument that you're strumming and plucking with, okay? So anyways, the first thing, and you're probably not going to want to hear this, but the most important thing is practice. You got to practice more. You know, essentially, when you practice, you are building muscle memory with correction. So let's say I'm playing and, you know, I'm only supposed to hit like the first, sorry, I'm not supposed to hit the first string. I'm supposed to hit just strings 2 through 6, but instead I keep plucking on that first string, right? Instead of just continually doing it over and over again, stop and address it. So say, okay, I need to start over here. So I'm going to keep my hand like this, and I know that this is the string I have to start on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and practice like this, right? Like that. I'm going to develop that muscle memory over and over. And I'm not going to touch that top string. Look, 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 look. Come on. It's not hard, okay? Just build that muscle memory by working your fingers in the right spots. Don't just keep playing, correct it, and then build that muscle memory with the correction. So practice that. That's the first tip, okay? The second tip is you need to understand that the string positioning. You can't play a song while hitting strings. I mean, I can't. I don't know if anyone can. It's not really physically possible when I think about it. While hitting strings 1, 2, 5, 6. That's not how strumming works. You can't strum 1, 2, skip 3, 4, and then play 5, 6. You can't really do that. So you need to understand that whenever you're strumming, you are going to be hitting either all the strings or a grouping of strings together. And most likely, those strings are going to be all towards the bottom or all towards the top. You'll rarely have to play strings 2, 3, 4, 5 and miss 1 and 6. Doesn't really work. Like, you can, but it's really hard to do. Most chord songs don't. I mean, I'm not a guitar pro, but most things won't call for that. So you're either going to be going all the way down to 6 or all the way up to 1. And you can start anywhere. You could just do 2, 1, right? 2, 1, or you could just do 5, 6. No problem. Easy. But you're not really going to be doing anything in the middle. It's always towards the top or towards the bottom. And wherever you start is dependent upon the note, the chord, the song, blah, blah, blah. Whether it's a minor, major, seventh, whatever, whether you're arpeggiating, doesn't matter. But the point is that you're not really going to be playing anything in the middle. You need to understand it's always going to be all the way to the top or all the way to the bottom from various different starting points. Hopefully that makes sense, okay? The next thing I want to address, and it's not with regards to strumming or plucking the strings, but let's say, and this is when I started playing the guitar, this is a problem that I had. I would play notes, I'd play chords, and when I played those chords, right, some notes, I would hit them, but they wouldn't ring out. So this is not really part of the hitting other strings. I was hitting the right strings, but they wouldn't really play out. So it would sound like this, right? This one wouldn't play out. The key here, curl your fingers and press down into those notes. You're going to get a full-bodied sound, okay? Curl, even if you're going straight, curl those fingers. You're not going to play like this, right? Look, curl the fingers. You're going to get a much better sound, okay? So that's essentially it. Those are the best tips that I can give you for avoiding hitting other strings while playing the guitar. It's an easy tutorial with a couple simple tips, and if you practice those tips if you practice with concentrated effort, you're going to get the best results. And that is essentially it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.